Let's look at this Venn diagram where we are comparing and contrasting the complete metamorphosis of a ladybug to the incomplete metamorphosis of a grasshopper. So some of the similarities are that they both lay eggs and they both have an adult stage. Notice in the middle of the overlapping circles, the middle of the diagram, is the similarities. The outside circles are the differences. So one of the differences is that it goes through 4 stages in its life cycle, and the grasshopper goes through 3. The ladybug goes through the pupa in the chrysalis stage, and the grasshopper does not. The ladybug goes through a drastic change, a dramatic change, and the grasshopper has a gradual change. So again, we use this Venn diagram to tell the similarities here in the middle and the differences between, it could be anything, whatever you want to compare and contrast.